What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title of this video, I will be talking about what to bring to U.S. Coast Guard boot camp. So as you can see here, this is a basic black backpack. This is a rucksack. It's basically what you will receive when you arrive to Cape May, New Jersey, Coast Guard boot camp. Whatever fits into this bag is what you will take into boot camp, into your training, into the time that you will be there. Whatever fits in here, that's it. All right, so you've seen the backpack, you've seen the special backpack that they're going to give you. That will be your life. You will not bring your civilian bag into boot camp. You will bring it in for the time, basically like reception, where they're giving you the information, making you do a bunch of paperwork. They'll look through your bag, make sure you have permitted items to bring to boot camp, and whatever fits into that black rucksack is what you will bring with you for the duration of your training. I would try to stay clear of doubling up on anything that's on that issued items list. I would try to stay clear of. I personally doubled up on a lot. I bought an extra toothbrush, floss, anything that had to do with hygiene. I think I brought something extra. It just took up space in my civilian's bag, and when it came down to taking everything out of my bag and then rushing to put stuff into the rucksack, it was just a cluster mess. Like, it was just so messy. I didn't know. I couldn't exactly see where everything was because everything comes out. Like, I had everything in baggies and specific Ziploc bags and containers, and everything has to come out of those things. And it was just things were falling. I was getting yelled at. But we'll talk about my experience maybe in a different video. And yeah, so pack light, don't double up. It's going to make your life a little bit easier. So let's get into those permitted items list. So I have the list in front of me. And yeah, we'll just go into the things you're going to need. Things that you will have to buy on the civilian side and bring with you into boot camp will be your 3 V-neck white t-shirts. You will need that, so bring them. Underwear, 6 to 10 pairs, more than good enough. I brought a lot more than I needed because I just didn't know how frequently we were going to be doing laundry. You're going to be doing laundry every single week. So 6 to 10 pairs is more than enough. So yeah, make sure they're not neon pink, crazy colors. Nobody cares that you have the latest brand or what. Nobody cares, okay? Be basic. I went to Walmart, inexpensive underwear. It's like an 9 pack, something like that. I think I bought an extra one just in case. So obviously I had more than enough. 6 to 10 pairs, you're good to go. White, nude color, basic, you're good. Okay, a watch. So you can bring a watch. There doesn't need to be any fancy. Any Apple smart watches won't be allowed. Fitbits, none of those. It just has to be a regular old plain sports watch that tells time. Maybe has like a stopwatch. That's it. Nothing fancy. Conservative colors, blue, black, gray. That's it. Wallet. For females, try to stay away from those big wallet purses. I went out and bought this little ID wallet. It was very small, very easy to access. Like when I was traveling, I could just put it in my pocket. Very easy. All you're gonna need is your ID to travel, so like your driver's license, your social security card, your debit card to take out money if you need to when you go to the exchange, and $50 small bills that you can use when you go to the exchange. That's it. Don't forget it. Don't bring no big old book bag on top of your civilian bag that you're going to bring. Just don't. Small wallet. Get a guy's wallet. Put it in your bag. Be done with it. Phone and charger. You're probably going to travel with your phone. You're probably going to bring a charger. Make sure they work. Make sure they're good to go. Bring it. Once you get those special privileges like Liberty, you're definitely going to want to use your phone, and not having the charger, you won't have any battery to use it. So bring it. Razors. Guys, invest in good razors unless you want kind of cheap razors, and you're going to be getting like a lot of razor burns, cuts, because you will shave every day. Don't matter if you have smooth, silky skin, you will probably shave. So yeah, invest in a good razor. No electric razors. Females, you can. I did. I brought a razor. Didn't use it. You won't have time. You will not have time. Trust me, you won't. So yeah. Razors is going to be more of a personal choice right there. Bible, religious book, again, personal choice. If you bring one, make sure it's a pocket-sized one. Nothing too big that's going to take up too much room in your rack. Address book, stationery, envelopes, and stamps. If you plan to write letters home, bring them. Hand body lotion, I brought some. Didn't use it. Your choice. I couldn't find it. I could never find it in my rack. So I just didn't use it. It says toothpaste and toothbrush. They will give you that. I didn't use the one that I brought. Talcum powder, again, your personal choice. If you're worried about like those baby rashes and stuff like that in between your legs, I was worried about that, but I used my compression shorts, and they give you compression shorts at Bootcamp, and they're pretty good quality. So again, another thing that I brought, took up space, didn't use it. And retainers and Invisalign, if you have those, bring them, because they will not give you those. So bring your own. And unframed photos is on the permitted items list. I don't know why. You're not going to post photos like on the walls, on your rack, under your pillow. So most likely it's going to be in a bag that's going to sit in your rack, and they're probably going to get ruined. So that's definitely a personal choice. I probably would not bring unframed photos into Bootcamp. Females, if you're watching this video, I hope that I've touched the basic needs you're gonna need, but obviously for female we need a couple more extra things that is obviously gonna bulk up our bag a little bit more. Number one being sports bras. I would invest in a good supportive sports bra. Make sure they're conservative colors, white or skin tone. 6 pairs, good enough. If you want to bring more, it's just extra stuff in your bag, extra stuff you're gonna have to fold in a specific way for your rack, so be mindful. I had bought, like, I was looking for skin tone color bras, and they were like these t-shirt sports bras. No support. It wasn't good for me. Luckily, I still had brought these white, but they had like gray lining on them. Those were definitely more supportive, and I didn't know if that gray was acceptable since it does say white, but we had 3 male company commanders, so they weren't looking at our bras. But regardless, I don't think that would be an issue. As long as they're plain and they're not like crazy Victoria's Secret lingerie type bras, like pink, bright colors, I'm pretty sure you're going to be fine. Just keep them conservative. And yeah, you'll be good. 1 regular bra, it says, for obviously your dress uniform or when we're going to graduate. I couldn't find mine, so I used my sports bra. Luckily, with the V-neck, you couldn't see the bra, so it was good to go. No issues there. Gel shampoo and conditioner. You will get in those issued items basically a 2-in-1 regular size bottle shampoo and conditioner. If you're like, oh no, I need my special brand because of my hair, my texture, whatever it might be, trust that you're gonna have to make some sacrifices. You will wash your hair every day. My hair's curly. I'm not used to washing my hair every single day, but too bad. It's a sacrifice you're gonna have to make. And if sacrificing not bringing small little bottles of shampoo and conditioner, it's gonna take some weight out of your bag, I would definitely do that. I brought I think 3 shampoo and conditioner travel size in my bag. Didn't use it because, again, it's going to be put into a bag inside of your rack. It's just going to be a headache. You probably won't have time to search for it. You probably would just misplace it when you have to go take a shower. You're not going to have a lot of time, and you're not going to spend your time looking through a bag for your specific shampoo. Yeah, mine end up opening and spilling on some of my stuff, so it's just a headache that you might not want. So something just to think about. Makeup. A lot of girls are thinking about makeup, or what about this? What about graduation? What about our photos? It says, for photos and graduation. I'm pretty sure you will only use it for graduation. I didn't get to use it for my pictures, and I brought makeup, and I'm not a makeup person, so I honestly don't even know why I brought it. But it was a extra makeup bag in my civilian bag that, again, took up space. They're going to take it away from you. They're going to lock it up with your civilian bag, and they're not going to give it back to you until graduation. So you won't even get it for your pictures. Sorry. Even when you arrive, like those first couple of days, if you're used to putting on makeup every day, no makeup. Get used to your natural self. Get used to it. And that's it with makeup. Feminine hygiene products, obviously, if you have a period, you're gonna need them. I brought my own because I just didn't know if they had the brand that I like. I brought like 20 pads and a couple extra tampons just in case. More than enough. Again, you'll go to the exchange. If you need them, you can buy them. Bobby pins, hair ties, hairbrush, all that kind of good stuff. Make sure you bring a lot because you'll probably like misplace hair ties, bobby pins, and all that. You can bring like that sock bun. I find it difficult to use. I just thought it was just easier just to twirl my hair up and put it in a bun. As long as you have no flyaways, you'll be good. If you're at home, practice putting gel or brushing your hair back and getting a nice tight bun with no flyaways, because gel is going to be your BFF in boot camp. All right, so that's just what it is. And yeah, so make sure you just have like enough, and make sure they match your hair color. And then birth control, put it in a baggie. Make sure you bring enough for the time you're going to be there. The doctors are going to check it out and they'll just give it back to you. So that's really it for birth control. So yeah, we've reached the end. I'm pretty sure I've touched on everything and anything that's on that list. That list is the bare minimum, and that is all you need to bring. Don't overthink it. I brought too much extra socks, white socks, black socks, extra moisturizers, lotions. I brought extra hygiene items, extra clothes, running shoes. Don't invest in running shoes because you're not going to use them. They will give you some. What else? I brought extra shower shoes, extra shower things. Didn't use them. I used the stuff they gave me. So they are setting you up for survival. So just remember that. And I hope this video was educational to somebody. If I didn't answer a question, like I said, comment below. And hopefully I'll be able to upload another video. If you liked it, subscribe if you want to show me some love. And I guess until next time, all right.